Alright, so since we have our categories ready, now we can start adding products to our online store. So to add a product, you have to click right here, add new. And in this video, we're gonna add a simple product. So the simple product is just a regular product that doesn't have any options like size, color, and so on. So it's just a simple product. And variable product is gonna be the product that has sizes or any other attributes. So for example, if you are selling t-shirts, you might have sizes and colors. So those are attributes. And basically you're gonna use attributes to create variations for that product. So if it's gonna be a t-shirt, then you're gonna have different colors or different sizes. But now let's focus on simple products that do not have any variations and they are just a simple products. Alright, so the first things first, when you are here, you will see that here you can add a product name. So this is where you want to add your product name, and this is where you're gonna add product description. As you can see, you have a small text editor right here with some various tools, but I usually don't overcomplicate my descriptions. I just add descriptions. I maybe include some specifications in a list and so on. If we would scroll down, here you will see various information for your product data. So as you can see, now we selected simple product and the variable product is right here. So when you are running an e-commerce store and you are selling physical goods, there's going to be two options, the most important for you. So this is going to be this one and that one. So for now, let's keep simple product, and here we don't need to check any marks. Here you will be able to add price. So as you can see, you can add a regular price and add a sale price. You can even schedule your sale price when it's gonna be active, when the sale starts and when the sale ends. So this one is up to you if you want to automate sales, but this is where you're gonna need to add your price and sale price. In the inventory tab, here you will be able to create SKUs. So basically it's completely up to you if you're planning to track your stock, if you're gonna have any other documents like Google Sheets or Office Excel or anything like that where you're gonna track your products with SKUs. So here you can add unique SKU for each product, and maybe you might want to use this for tracking your stock and doing all those things, and for identifying products as well. And here you can manage stock. So as you saw it yourself, when I disabled this option right here, we can only choose that this product is in stock or is out of stock. If I would activate this option, you can add stock quantity and you're gonna have a limited stock. Here you can also add a low stock threshold. So once your product reaches this threshold, you're gonna be notified with email notification that your product is running out of stock. You can also do some other adjustments like limit purchases to one item per order. So those are a bit more in depth, a bit more advanced, but I usually use SKUs to add unique codes for my product, so I could identify those products in my sheets where I track all information about those products. And of course I add stock quantity right here. So those two gonna be the most important for you if you're gonna decide to track your stock. Alright, let's go to shipping tab. So right here, as you can see, you can add weight of your product, you can add dimensions for your product. It's completely up to you. I usually don't sell too large products, too big products that might require me adding weight for any extra occasions. But if you're gonna do this, this is where you can do that. And as you remember, we created in the previous lesson when I was showing you how to add shipping zones, we created a shipping class. So now we can select this shipping class that we created previously. So let's say if this product is going to be extremely heavy product and it requires extra care and the shipping is going to cost extra, then as you remember, we had this class ready where the shipping is going to cost $85 if I'm not mistaking anything. And yeah, this class will be applied to this particular product. So if your visitor or a potential customer, let's say, gonna add this product to his cart, at a checkout he will see that the shipping is gonna cost him more because we have created this shipping class. If you don't want to use a shipping class, you can disable this one. Alright, if I would go right here in linked products, so if I would click right here on upsells, as you can see here, we have an explanation what are upsell products. So in the product page, your visitors gonna see some recommended products. So once you add more products to your website, here you can look for the products you want to upsell, you want to show to your visitors, to your customers on that particular product page. And right here in cross sells, as you can see, if you would have again more products, you could add those cross sell products and those products will be displayed in your shopping cart. So this way you can increase the the value of a shopping cart, and this way you can make even more sales. So this one is very useful. I usually use this one every single time when I add new products. I like to choose the products that are the best sellers, and I'm kind of guaranteed that the customer is gonna add this product and he's gonna buy 2 products instead of 1. So that's what I use myself, and I highly recommend you to use upsells and cross sells yourself as well. Okay, let's go to attributes. So attributes are just like information for specification of your products. So for example, you could add information for a product. Let's say the product that I'm adding right now is going to be a wooden train. So I could add such attribute like just like that. I'm going to click add. I'm gonna give name material, and of course I'm gonna type that material is wood. So just like that, I can add as many attributes as I need. And of course it depends on your products, what products you are planning to sell. Again, this one is up to you. If you have any attributes to add, just don't ignore that. And once we're gonna move to variable product, I will show you how you can convert those attributes. For example, you will add a size attribute and you're gonna list all the sizes available, how you can use those attributes to create variations of a particular product. All right, let's go to advanced tab, and here you can basically add a purchase note. Once a customer places an order, he's gonna receive a notification email with a purchase note. So this one is up to you if you see any need to add this one. All right, let's go to that one. You can do some adjustments to custom ordering position. This one is not extremely important. This is for everyone who are looking for a bit more customized experience for their customers, but I actually do not use those options right here. If you will need to add some type of purchase note to a customer, if he's gonna purchase, let's say, this product, so he's gonna receive a note to his email notification of successfully placed order. And a good example would be, let's say if you are selling specified products that require some instructions. So for example, you could have a PDF file with URL right here. You could paste this PDF file with instructions for your customer. It's just one way of doing it, but of course there are multiple ways how you can do the same thing. But again, it's up to you how you want to use those purchase notes. So this one is up to you. And of course, do not disable reviews. You want to have enable reviews because you want to allow your customers to leave reviews on your products. If you would go to get more options, basically here you will find various extensions that you can install to your WooCommerce website, to your online store. So those extensions are usually paid. They cost money. They cost more than any other extension, any other plugin that you would find on themeforest.net, the website that I showed you previously, where you can buy premium themes and premium plugins. And here this Pinterest tab was added automatically when we selected that we want to install Pinterest for marketing purposes. So basically this one is a part of a plugin. If we would go to plugins right here, and I would open this one in a new tab, let's go right here, you will see that we have Pinterest. Just a second, yeah, we have Pinterest for WooCommerce. In later lesson, I will show you how you can add various pixels. I will give you an introduction how you can do that, but for now let's not focus on that. As you can see, this is a plugin. If we wouldn't have this plugin, we wouldn't have this option right here, Pinterest. So we can close this tab right here. And okay, what else? Product short description. So this is a short description that can be seen in your product page before you see the main description. So again, it's up to you if you want to use this. I usually don't use this. In some cases I have used this in the past when I was selling t-shirts that came from China, and those t-shirts were smaller sizes. So I left a message in this spot right here for my customers, letting them know that they should choose one size larger. And it was clear message. It was easy to see. So it was just a message to my customers. So it's up to you how you want to utilize this product short description. All right, so this is it with this part. Now we can jump right here. So product image, we're gonna set a product image. That's gonna be the featured image for our product. We will be able to add product gallery images. So our product gonna have more images, more than just the one that is gonna be the main image. And as you remember, we created categories previously. So these are all the categories we have. And if you don't have any category here ready yet, you can add new category right here yourself. And of course, here you can add tags. So for example, I will be selling a wooden toy that is going to be a wooden train. So I could add such tags as wooden toy, wooden train, train, wooden toys. So those type of tags right here. Those tags are basically meant for describing your product, just like I told you in the previous lesson. So probably you understand this by now. All right, so let's start by adding a name. So I'm gonna give a name to my product, and it's going to be wooden train. All right, so I added wooden train toy. So this is how it looks. As you can see, this is how my permalink gonna look. This is the URL of this product, and of course we could choose that it's gonna be wooden toys. So because it's obviously wooden toy. All right here I'm gonna add description. I have description ready, so I'm just gonna paste it right here. All right, as you can see, I just added my short description, and as you can see, it's 111 words. And right here, if you want, you can do some customization options. You can bold some of the text. Again, it's completely up to you if you want to do those changes right here, but I usually like to keep everything simple. All right, so the next thing that we could do, we could go back to general tab, and I'm gonna add a regular price. So I'm just gonna add the prices right here. All right, as you can see, regular price is going to be $22.49 and sale price is going to be $14.99. All right, so this is how it's gonna look. And in inventory tab, I will add a unique SKU code for this product. All right, I added my unique SKU code. So basically it says product 1. And once I add the second product, it's gonna say P0002. So it's gonna be product 2. So this is how I like to do this. But again, it's up to you what system you want to use. It's completely up to you. And I added stock quantity, and right here I have low stock threshold. So it's gonna be 2 products. Once it reaches 2 products, I'm gonna be notified with an email message that this product is running out of stock. All right, shipping. I'm not doing any changes to shipping. It's pretty small product. I don't really need to add any shipping classes or even add weight. It's gonna cost not much. It's gonna be cheap to send this product, so I'm gonna keep it as it is. Link products. Right now I cannot add any link products because I haven't added any products yet. But in the future, I will be able to do this once I have at least 1 product published. Attributes. So in attributes, I'm gonna add another attribute right here, and I'm gonna add 1 more attribute, and I'm just gonna give names to these attributes, and I'm gonna give values. All right, as you can see, I just added various attributes. So the first one is material, so it's gonna be wood, cotton, and ages, so from 3 years, and type Montessori toy. So again, this is my situation. This is what I'm adding. In your situation, it's gonna be a completely different thing because you already know what type of e-commerce you are building. All right, so let's hit save changes. Don't forget to hit save changes before you move to any other tab, because those changes will not be saved if you do not click right here. All right, so I just added this information. Now I can add tags. So that's exactly what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna type tag and I'm gonna hit enter. As you can see, once I hit enter, this tag is added to the tag list. I could add another tag train, and I think I'm gonna keep it just like that. All right, so the next thing, we can add our product image. So right now I have to upload this product image. So I'm gonna click right here and I'm gonna select from the file. All right, so this is the product image I want to use, and I'm gonna click set product image. And right now I'm gonna add some other images to the gallery. So I'm gonna select image 1 by 1, and of course I'm gonna hold Ctrl while clicking on each image. All right, so now I can click add to gallery. I can switch places with these images. So again, it's up to you. What do you want to do? And now before publishing this product, we can click preview. Let's see how it looks. All right, so as you can see, this is how it looks. It looks quite good. Of course, it doesn't look too fancy because we haven't added our theme, but now you should understand how to add a product. And yeah, this is how it looks. So now we can close this one, and now we can click publish. And once we publish, we're gonna click view product just to make sure that everything works fine. And yeah, now we can click right here. Let's click on this URL. Yeah, and this is how it looks. This is our product. So as you can see, if I would click to wooden toys category, this is our category and this is our toy. So we have one product added to our store. And yeah, so this is it for this lesson. And in the next lesson, I will show you how to add a variable product. And do not get discouraged if you think that this doesn't look too good. Don't worry about that because we are in the progress. We haven't done any customization options. We haven't installed any theme to our website, so this is the default version, but now we have some type of a structure. So this is it for this lesson.